push start the whip. What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is my mom's 2013 Chrysler 300. Just a base model, needs an oil change and has a check engine light on, but she actually runs pretty good. 175,000 miles. Woo! We drive this thing everywhere and she loves this car. The ultimate bad boy car, and I got a bad mama, I guess. She's super cool, super awesome. But let's take it for a drive. I actually like this car a lot too. It's a giant boat. The Chrysler 300. Woo! I'm gonna take her car for a drive. And what I mean by that, I'm basically gonna drive it like I stole it. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mama. It's like this way is clear. Let's go this way, the fastest way to get to the freeway. I believe this car makes 305 horsepower, getting around 27 mpg, so that's really good for what the vehicle is. Let me move this because the sun is right in my way. Ooh, and that slides too. Wow, this sun visor's awesome. Slides, and then it slides too. Awesome. I love that. It's got a great audio system. Yeah, the audio system is A1 on these Chrysler 300s. A1, son. The clock is super awesome looking. Chrome, and then it's got this kind of wood trim stuff. Normal shifter, but I like it more than that weird shifter they have. I've got one message on here. How do you look at this one message? It says oil change due. I've done the oil changes. I'm like the oil change guy. I don't know how many times I've changed the oil on this Chrysler 300. As much times as it needs. I usually change it around 2 times a year, full synthetic. But man, this thing drives nice. And we really haven't done much maintenance to it. The vehicle came with brand new Michelin tires on it, and we've had this car for about 4 years, and we haven't had to replace the tires, just rotate them. So that just gives you how good Michelins really are. Look, another 300. Sweet. We did the transmission oil one time. I think this is a sealed transmission, so you need a special kind of dipstick to check the fluid, the condition of the fluid, and we have that. Probably some brakes and stuff like that, but major repairs, nothing. If you're wondering what the check engine light is, it's actually a pretty big issue we haven't been able to fix. It's an electrical problem that it has. It's probably like the computer or something like that that's going on with it. But the car drives perfect. It just has a check engine light. Love the dash. Love the steering wheel. Kind of like a big 3-spoke steering wheel. Awesome. Got the volume knobs in the back over here. Cruise control. And we're going to use the cruise control. We're going to the freeway right now. If this truck ever gets out of my way. Oh, snaps. It's the cops. Oh, no. Oh, someone's switching into my lane. I'm switching out of theirs. The Chrysler 300, the bad boy car. Let's see what this car can do. Right in front of the police. Oh man, I couldn't go no faster. Car's in my way. Trying to block some of this sun out. Beautiful sunny day here in Turlock, California. Let's see what she's got. Woo! 305 horsepower, not bad. Come on. I should slow it down though, just in case the cops are behind me. Don't worry about it, guys. Stick around. We're gonna do some more pulls on it. Gonna show you how nice a 2012 or 2013 Chrysler 300 with 177,000 miles can do. This car can do a lot of damage, and she's a beauty. Yes. All right, we're gonna do one hard pull. Got a green light here. I'm sorry, Mama. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching the video, which I know you're gonna watch it. I'm about to destroy your car, but it's okay because I service your car all the time, right? If it breaks down. This car is cool, man. This car's fast. What do you guys think? Should we floor it? I think so. Sorry, Mom. We're gonna have to floor it. Everyone says floor it, which I don't know if everyone says floor it. I say floor it. I say there's not a lot of traffic. Let's do a quick cop check. No cops. All right, no cops. Woo! Let's go. Come on, I'm excited. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, like, comment, subscribe for more car pulls, more hard accelerations, more 0 to 60s. I love doing it. Oh, hold on, there's something on the road. Oh, I guess not. Woo! Damn, he's going 100. I love that I can just put my hand right here. Right here, this is awesome. I don't know if this steering wheel comes on the Dodge Charger. I don't think so. But it's leather wrapped. It's really big and thick. Right when you put your fingers here and your hands around, you can feel the buttons in the back. Sorry, Mom. We're flooring it again. One more time, I promise. And that's it. Let's see if it breaks down. Let's go. Oh, he didn't do it. All right. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. That was fun. I hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I gotta say sorry again because I cannot say sorry enough, Mom. Sorry for driving your car this way. I won't do it again, I promise. So please support the channel. That way I can hop onto my dad and my mom's cars and I can burn rubber in them. I know whenever I'm working and I get mad at my dad, I just hop in one of his cars and I say, take that, T.O. Bam. I must be mad at my mom today. I'm not mad at her. I just really like her car and I washed it for her yesterday so I can make this video. Sorry. There's so much fun to make. I have an awesome time doing it. Get to take some time off. And we are actually back. We are back. Oh no, there's a truck coming. All right, guys. Sorry, Tim. I almost ran him over. I'm sorry, man. He's probably upset. It's all good though. All right, guys, I gotta get back to work, back to my regular job. But it was so much fun. Thanks for coming with us. Thanks for coming with me on this drive. Woo! Just a hell of a car. Push button. Let's go.